So we are at the new River Gorge National Park.
The newest national park of the United States.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. 178 stairs right down to it. Sign says going down is an option, but remember, coming up is not. Know your limits.
New River Gorge Bridge is currently the longest single-span steel arc bridge in the United States and the third highest bridge in the country. The bridge itself is 3,031 feet long and stands 876 feet above the New River Gorge River. We also stopped at the Grandview Overlook, which is adequately named, sitting at the highest point in the park, sitting 1,400 feet above the river.
So at the top of these rocks is the turkey spur.
150 stairs.
Let's go.
Day one, we spent some time checking out the two visitor centers that New River Gorge National Park has to offer, went back and set up camp for the night, preparing for the second day of the trail.
So it's morning one. Garrett's the hero of the day / night. We have no bread left. The raccoons got us. They ate all the bread. They got into the tub. Also, they like Frosted Flakes. Need more cereal too. Garrett was the hero and chased them off at 1:30.
Good thing Walmart's closed.
Day two of our trip, Megan, Garrett, and myself actually decided to go whitewater rafting. We booked through River Expeditions. That's us, right there. We are at Beauty Mountain Trail to watch a sunset to wrap up day two.
This is the view. So it's very, almost intimidating. It's a straight drop down. But they named it properly. Because it is beautiful.
And finally, to wrap up the trip on day three, we did some much needed hiking.
We're on the Long Point Trail. It is a beautiful morning today in West Virginia. It's about a 3-mile trail round trip, and it takes us above the bridge and overlooks it. Beautiful place for pictures. We've been told it's the best place to view the bridge and get pictures of it. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yep.
Garrett's up ahead leading the pack. Oh, it looks ready.
pops off easy.
Mm-hmm.
It came off pretty easy.
Mm-hmm. Found the mother lode.
Nice.
Wild black raspberries. A little sour, but
Yeah,
still
they're
delicious.
White.
Could use a couple more days, but they're very good. They're all along this little path here. And they're yours for the picking.
This one's like half.
Wild black raspberries they grow red and then they turn black when they're ripe, and they're ripe when they're easy to pull off the bush, and they're delicious
When they're ready.
That is something.
We hiked the Longview Trail, and that's the long view. You can see the trail. That's what it's called. It's called Longview. So yeah, it's awesome. It's crazy. You are literally on the sides of cliffs, and yeah, it's like don't look down.
Yeah.
But also pay attention to your surroundings a little bit.
Every single picture of the bridge you've ever seen was probably taken there.
1.6 in, 1.6 out. So a total of about 3.2 plus milling around. So
Not bad at all.
yeah, pretty awesome.
Where is this from?
This is the Endless Wall Trail.
Oh, yeah? Are we gonna make it to the end of the wall?
Dad jokes for days.
Maybe a troll.
Is there a troll toll?
The water feels really nice. It looks really clean.
The Endless Wall.
Yeah, this whole trail follows along the Endless Wall, so there's like a bunch of different lookouts. And then Diamond Point is where we're heading, which is apparently the best view. Just another lookout on the Endless Trail here. Endless Wall Trail. Kind of see. Well, it just continues forever. Still over the river. What do you think so far?
It's beautiful so far.
Yeah.
A lot of good overlooks.
Yeah.
A lot of good overlooks.
Awesome. It's just like the edge of the world.
We have officially reached Diamond Point Overlook. Garrett's on that outreach. Megan's on that outreach right there. And this is the main landmass. And we made it.
So Brian and I were just standing on that point, enjoying the view. We had Garrett over there taking our picture. Super excited for how those are gonna turn out. But now my legs are shaking because you're like, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
It was wild.
And And there's this bug that was flying around us, and I was
I'm
like,
just
oh.
like,
You're like, wait.
Just stop.
please stop.
I don't want to move so much. I don't want to move to swat you. Just
Yeah.
stop. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Good
But
times. Good times.
Anyway, this
But we did
hike
it. We're
is
live.
freaking amazing. You have to come to Endless Wall Trail and come out to Diamond Point. So we're about to head back, taking our last views here. Gonna head back to the truck, go get some lunch. Gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous. 10 out of 10. Recommend.
And then my handsome husband.